Hi, this is Ken with Ken's Perfect Jams, and since it's such a beautiful day out today, I figured this week's video will do a little differently. I'm sitting in my backyard with the man that I love, and we were going to have some cocktails, but then I figured, why not show you how I make jam cocktails? So I want to show you how to make Ken's Jam Cocktail. It's a formula, so you can use any jam that you want. You can use any hard liquor that you want. And you can use any mixer that you want, though I would recommend either club soda, ginger ale, or lemon lime soda because they're more neutral and they will mix better. By taking those formulas, by mixing and matching elements from those different things, there's a whole myriad of cocktails that you can make. So you can mix and match and try different things until you find your own new signature cocktail. But anyway, let me show you how I do this. Since it's Pride Month, I'm going to be featuring our Pride Jam today. I'm going to be using our Pride Jam. Each recipe makes one cocktail, so that's why I have two cocktail shakers out today. I'm going to be making I'm going to be making this cocktail two different ways. I'm making one for me, I'm making one for my husband Paul, and I'm just going to show you some, we're going to vary the liquor. I'm going to use rum and he's going to use vodka. Anyway, and I like my cocktails a little sweeter than he does. So the first part, and the recipe for this will be just like any other recipe on our site. There'll be a link to the recipe in the description box for this video. So you want to start off with, in your cocktail shaker, 2 to 3 tablespoons of jam. So for me, I will do 3, and for Paul, I'll do 2. 3, and for Paul, 1, 2. Okay, and to that we're going to need the juice of half a lime. So take a lime off the tree. Half of the lime juice go into one shaker. Half of the lime juice into the half the lime juice was supposed to go into the other shaker. That was on me. Bad, Ken, bad. Okay, so then for each cocktail, you need 2 shots. The beautiful thing about this particular shaker is that each cap is a shot. So I will just use that to measure the shots. This is the rum, this is me, so that goes here. 1, 2. Paul's the vodka. So, one, 2. And then we're going to cover and shake vigorously. The thing about jam is that it's going to have chunks of fruit, and that's okay. Normally I would put ice in the shaker, but I'm not going to this time because I want to break down the jam as much as possible. And we're pouring it over ice. So this will help agitate and break down the jam more, so that really the only thing we should have left are little clumps of fruit, which will be awesome in the drink. Okay, so both of those are shaken. And so we're gonna pour it over ice. See how gorgeous that is? If you're a person that prefers drinks more like martinis, you can actually stop here if you want. You could just like consider this a jam Cosmo or something, and you don't really need to do the mixer. But it's a summer day, and cocktails usually I prefer something lighter and more effervescent, and that's why I add the mixer. But you can do it either way. So now we're going to take our mixer, and I'm going to do a half a can into each glass. I left my cocktail spoon in the house at the pool, so I'll just use the spoon that I use to measure the jam to mix the drinks. And then for the final touch, I have these moonshine cherries. They are lethal. But I'm going to garnish each drink with a moonshine cherry. There we go, and that's it really. These drinks are ready to go. So I did make one for me, and I did make one for Paul. So we're just gonna, so we're doing this kind of ghetto today. We're filming this on my phone. It's not being filmed on location like it usually is by my dear friend Ryan. So we're gonna hit pause so that Paul can join me, and then we're gonna have a sip of our cocktails.
Cheers.
Cheers, and happy Pride. Oh Lord, that's fun. What do you think?
I like it. I can really taste the jam in there.
So there you have it. Jam cocktails, they are a thing. Enjoy yourselves. Happy Pride.